Hi everyone, today I'm showing you how to make these fabulous snail ones. They are such great fun for summertime parties. Hi, I'm Melanie from Balloon Artworks. For my snail, I've inflated a 260 twisting balloon with a very long tail. I'm not going to use all of this. So just give the balloon a squeeze just to soften that, and then twist a 3-finger bubble. Okay, and then make another bubble to match this one. Okay, that's a little bit small. I'm just going to make it slightly bigger. Okay, and then fold the balloons over and just grab the knot and nozzle here and then twist those 2 bubbles together. Okay, and then you can take this long bit of balloon and just pull it through the centre of those 2 bubbles, and that will just pinch twist the 2 bubbles. Okay. So this is what you've got. And then we can squeeze the rest of the balloon and just discard it. Okay, and then I'm just going to tie a knot here. So this is what you've got. I've inflated a 260 lime green to a 3-finger tail, and I'm going to make a bubble of 2.5 fingers or so. And make another bubble to match this one. Okay, fold the balloons over, take hold of that knot and nozzle, and then just twist these 2 bubbles around. Okay, and then I can take the excess here and just pull that between those 2 bubbles just to pinch twist. So it's exactly the same technique as we did for the eyeballs, but because I had a slightly longer bit of knot and nozzle, I was able to use that instead of using the body of the balloon. Okay, so that's what we've got. So we're going to use the lime green balloon just to encircle those eyeballs, okay, and then just twist into those pinch twists. Okay, so this is what you've got. Next, I'm going to measure a bubble that is about 7 to 8 fingers. Okay, and then make a bubble of 2 to 3 fingers, fold the balloon over, pinch twist this by pulling the bubble upwards and twisting it around. Okay, send the air to the tip of your balloon and then twist another bubble to match this one. Okay, we're going to do the same thing. Pull the bubble upwards and twist that around. Okay, this is what you've got. Next, I'm making a bubble of about 3 to 4 inches. Okay, and then I'm going to follow that with a bubble of 2 to 3 fingers. I'm going to pinch twist this, so I just pull it upwards and twist it around. Okay, give the balloon a little squeeze and make a bubble to match this one. Okay, twist that around, and then we can discard the rest of this coral balloon. Just let down the air and tie. Take your coral balloon and wrap the neck and nozzle into the pinch twist there. Okay, and then we can do the same thing with this little bit of excess. Don't worry if your pinch twist has just come undone, as mine has done. We can reinstate that in a jiffy. And in fact, if you don't want to have a pinch twist here, you don't have to. You can actually keep a bubble here. So I'm just going to reinstate this pinch twist, twist it around lots of times. Okay, so there you go. That's what you've got. Next, I've got another 260 twisting balloon with a long 5-finger tail, and I've got a stretchy bit here. So I've inflated this balloon, then let a little bit of air out, and then tied just to give me a long section here. Okay, and then fold the balloon over. We're going to make a loop of about 5 fingers. So twist that, pass the knot and nozzle through the centre to secure it. Give your balloon a squeeze and then fold your balloon over the top of this loop. Grab hold of the knot and nozzle, and twist the knot and nozzle into that loop. And then you can just again pass the knot and nozzle through the centre of that loop and then just push the loops together again. We can snip off the end, so just snip off the end here and we can tie these two together. Okay, so this is what you've got. So pull one of the ends through the two bubbles here, okay, and wrap that around the pinch twist, okay, and then take your other end underneath and just position this around and then pull this into the pinch twists. Wrap around a couple of times and then we can cut this away. If you feel that this handle is a little long, then you can just fold it in half slightly and spiral it around, okay? And when you get to the top here, just pinch a little bit of latex and then wrap that latex into those pinch twists. Okay, and that gives you a much more manageable wand handle. I've inflated a 160 with a 4-finger bubble and I've trimmed off the nozzle here and I'm just going to split this bubble in half, okay, and then I'm going to go to the tip end, just snap this out, okay, hold on to the uninflated section quite lightly in your hand and then press down on this bubble here, okay, and that will transfer the air, okay, and then you can just adjust the sizes of these bubbles just by pressing on the opposite one. So if I press on this one, that will make that one larger, okay, so find approximately the center point, make a twist, and then we can pull this section into the pinch twists here at the back of the snail's head and then pull them upwards into position. For the eyes, I'm using a black Sharpie and I like to draw a largish oval, which I then shade in. Do the same thing on the other side. If you're struggling to reach, you can always turn your sculpture upside down and then draw. And then I'm just going to draw a half smile and some little nostrils. I'm using a white Edding 750 paint pen just to create the eye highlights. So this is a quick and easy design. Once you've got the hang of the design, it is quick enough for line work and it's great for summer parties. And you'll see, depending on the colours that you use, it can look very, very different.